Namaskaram. Today we are going to perform Sushma Vyayam for leg joints. This is also called as yogic warm up. Toe bending. Sit comfortable in initial position with feet slightly apart. Be aware of the toes. Move the toes, both feet slowly backward and forward. But ankle should be relaxed. Hold each position for few seconds and repeat it 10 times. Inhale as the toes move backward and exhale as the toes move forward. After 10 rounds, relax in initial position. Next, ankle bending. Slowly move both feet backward and forward. Bend them from ankle joints. Hold the position for few seconds and repeat 10 rounds. Backwards, exhale as feet move forward. After finished your 10 rounds, relax in initial position. Next, ankle rotation. Legs little apart and keep them straight. Rotate both the feet from ankle clockwise 10 times. Inhale on upward movement and exhale on backward movement. Keep the heels on the ground throughout the practice. Now we will rotate anti-clockwise 10 times. Inhale on upward movement and exhale on backward movement. Now slowly come back to initial position. Now we will do knee bending. Sit in initial position. Bend the right knee and clasp the hands under the right thigh. Straighten the right leg and bend at the knee so that the thighs comes closer to chest. This is one round. Repeat it 10 times. Do not allow the heels or toes to touch the floor. Keep the head and spine straight. Do the same thing with the left leg. Inhale while straightening the leg and exhale while bending the leg. Repeat it 10 times. After 10 rounds, come back to initial position. Next, knee crank. Sit in initial position only and place the hands under the right thigh and interlock the fingers or cross the arms holding the elbow. Raise the right foot from the ground and rotate the lower leg from the knee in large circular movement. Try to straighten the right leg at the top of the upward movement and rotate 10 times clockwise. Now slowly rotate anti-clockwise 10 times. After 10 rounds, relax in initial position. Next, kneecap contraction. Sit in initial position only. Contract the muscle surrounding the knees and drawing the kneecap back towards the thigh. Hold the contraction for few seconds. Release the contraction and let the kneecap return to its normal position. Practice it for 5 to 10 times. This is the best practice for knee problem. All the knee asanas strengthen the quadricep muscle and ligaments around the knee joint. These asana regenerate the joint by activating the healing energies. Now slowly come back to initial position. Now we will do Ardha Titli Asana. Sit in initial position, bend the right leg and place the right foot on the left thigh as possible. Place the right hand on top of the bent right knee. Hold the toes of the right foot with the left hand. This is the starting position. Gently move the right knee up towards the chest and gently push the knee down and try to touch the knee to the floor. And practice it 10 times. Inhale while bringing the knee towards the chest and exhale moving it away from the chest. Do not force this movement in any way. After this, slowly come back to initial position and repeat the same process with the other leg. This is an excellent practice for loosening of knee and hip joints and for meditative pose. Now slowly come back to initial position. Now we will do hip rotation. Sit in starting position and fold the right leg on the left thigh. Using the right arm, rotate the right knee in circle and try to make the circular movement as large as possible by the right knee. Practice 10 rotations clockwise and 10 rotations anti-clockwise. Inhale during upward movement and exhale during downward movement. And straightening the legs, slowly release the knee. Repeat the same process with the left leg. Inhale during upward movement and exhale during downward movement. And slowly rotate clockwise 10 rounds and anti-clockwise 10 rounds. Now slowly relax and release the leg and come back to initial position. Now we will do full butterfly. Sit with the legs outstretched, bend the knees and bring the soles of the feet together and keeping the heels as close to the body as possible. Clasp the feet with both hands and fully relax the inner thigh muscle. This is starting position. Gently bounce the knees up and down using the elbows as levers to press the legs down. Try to touch the knees to the ground on the downward stroke. Practice 30 to 40 up and down movements. One should not use any force or jerk. Normal breathing throughout the practice. People with sciatica and acute condition of back pain should avoid this butterfly movement. Now slowly relax in initial position. The regular practice of Sukshma Vyayam removes blockages and tightness in muscles and strengthens them, increases body mobility and making it flexible, develops coordination and equilibrium, improves blood circulation, and benefits include developing memory, intellect, willpower, and sharpens the senses.